violin's a powerful violin. It's 18th century violin, around 1780, and it was restored by Rodger Stearns, friend of mine. Took him 2 or 3 months to restore this tedious work. He's phenomenal, astronomical. He is just amazing at violin restorations. I mean, he's one of the best. So if you ever have any 18th century work you need done, Rodger Stearns. But this violin is concert level ready violin, and it is ready for any professional symphony orchestra. Grafted scroll, 2-piece back. It's got the old pins in there. Lovely instrument. There's pictures there in the description. And if you got any questions, reach out to me. Thank you.